फातोर्डाचे BLA 1 and 2 म्हणजे आणि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी हांची मिटिंगा पयली जे SIR चालू आसा त्या संदर्भात कितें जर त्यांचे डावट आसा कितें जर स्पेसिफीक इश्यूज आसा ते रिजॉल्व करपाचे नदरेन आयज ही मिटिंगा पयली आनी सगळ्यांनी BLAs हांच्यांनी बरे कितें डिफिकल्टीज आसा ते रेज केले आनी आमी ते सुटावे करपाचे प्रयत्न केले.
BLA थोडे असतात BLO हा पळय तांकां तुमी असिस्टंट दिल्यात ते असिस्टंट थोडे कामार असत ना तेंचे बरोबर हेचेर कोण लक्ष दिता तुमी
थोड्या पार्टांनी अजून पर्यंत
BLO
असिस्टंट रिपोर्ट जाल्ले ना.
ओके आणि थोडे जे आमी एक्झाम्पल दिता RTOतले थोडे कामगार आसात थोडेच ते पयलीं स्टाफ आशिल्लो तितलो 80% 90% स्टाफ तुम्ही काढला
पूण RTOन लोकांक इनकन्विनियन्स फेस करचे पडटा सध्या तेंची कामां जायना.
कितले स्टाफ आसा आनी कितले काडपाचे हेचेर अशें विचार
प्रत्येक EROन ऑर्डर काडले इश्यूज केल्ले आसा सो अश्यो जर कितें आसा डिपार्टमेंटान जर आमकां इन्फॉर्म केला जाल्यार वी ट्राय टू रिजॉल्व इट.
Total voters are 31,040, of which now they have already received 21,924 received and digitalized, uploaded kilometer. Now this is quite a fishy number according to me. And तितूंतले 8661 mapped केले 6180 mapped as project, 534 are classified as death. But the good information is for the BLA2s, they can personally go and collect the forms from their particular parts. So they ek muntu bore. So at least you know that your forms will be given to the right person and they will be uploaded. So please requesting everybody to reach out to the BLA2s or even BLA1. And my kitne munta that there will be a time given if your name is not on the, if you have not received the enumeration forms, this is not the end. Or that draft roll and then the claims and objections will be filed. So दिवपाची गरज ना म्हणपाची but it's a long procedure, no? It's very stressful and case by case they will take the uncollectable forms such as matter asa no, they will take it case by case and you can also fill the enumeration forms online. So please kona maache tras padta they can please go ahead and fill the online forms and the BLA ones will be the responsible people to meet the ERO and